Alright, is it started?
Yes.
Okay, hey guys, it's Walker Frostbite here, and today I'm at my friend's house right now. We were playing with lightsabers at like 12 at night, and
because they're stupid.
we found this hilarious freaking sound in the lightsaber. It's about to die, and it makes this beep sound you would hear in whenever you curse, like this. Hilarious. I'm gonna spaz out for a few seconds to make this look very hilarious. So hope you enjoy.
You look like some Star Wars person who's having a tantrum.
That's what it's supposed to look like.
Just like, yay, turned on. Well.